Introducing the 2021 Seat Ibiza I1.0tsi 95 horsepower SE 5-door in stunning blue. This hatchback is equipped with top-of-the-line features such as air conditioning, Bluetooth phone and automatic hazard lights to ensure a safe and comfortable drive. The anti-collision system, multiple airbags and traction control provide added security for peace of mind on the road. With a Powertrain Warranty and full multi-point health and safety check, this vehicle is ready to hit the road worry-free. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information on this fantastic vehicle. Drive away in style and comfort with the 2021 Seat Ibiza I1.0tsi 95 horsepower SE 5-door.